Hi, this is Chloe from Chloe Me Just Me, and welcome to another Mel Science video. This is the starter kit right here, and if you haven't seen the video when I open this starter kit and show you through the ins and outs of Mel Science, click here to go watch it. But right now, we're going to be focusing on the sulfur and nitrogen dioxide box, which we're going to be doing some experiments. Okay, so right now we don't need this box, we need this box, which is the sulfur and nitrogen dioxide box, which is a humongous mouthful. So we're going to open the box, and in this box we can make foxtail gas, which looks like orange clouds. And we've also got the sulfur dioxide, thus the name. So, in this box, for some reason, we've got 2 wooden sticks, a bit like cocktail sticks, and we've got 2 plastic tubings. We've got 2 plastic tubes. There we go. We've also got some miniature flowers, which is for the sulfur dioxide, which we're doing. Whoop whoop. And there's another one in there somewhere. There it is. 2 beautiful fake flowers. I can smell the fakeness. We've also got some chemicals. More chemicals. And what are these? There's some spoons and the little Mel Science labels, which I think tells you the heat of them. Cool. Some gloves and the magical candle, which will help us with the experiment. So we will be doing the sulfur and nitrogen dioxide experiment. Such a mouthful. Now, let me set it up. We've got all the equipment needed here, set out nicely, and right now, the first thing we need to do is put the thymol blue onto the flour, which is why we have a tray to keep things, let's just say, halfway mess-free, because the tray will get messy, but now we've got to drip it onto the flour. Ooh, it's blue. Okay, so I'm being very careful, concentrating, and I'm going to drip this all over the flour to make sure it's blue. Oh, I can see a tiny bit of orange. That's weird. I was expecting it to be blue. Okay, it's on all of the petals now. Just need to do this a little bit. And it says that after I drop it on this, it should turn red when I put it on the heater, the yellow oven thing, and then it should turn orange. I can tell we can turn it orange because some of the petals on the end is orange. Let me give you a closer look. As you can see, the flour's got a tiny bit of orange on it. I don't know why that is, but there's tiny little speckles of orange. Strange. So what I'm going to do is I'll add 1 large spoon of NASA. It's actually Na2S2O5, but it's spelled NASA. 1 big spoon, and then we add it. The next step is to add 2 big spoonfuls of citric acid. Carefully does it. Bloop. Add another one. And that should be done. Next step is, you can see this is lit by a responsible adult, aka my mum, and I'm going to place it on top of the little stove. And then place the flour on it. Carefully. Oh, it's gone red. So hopefully the fume should go up onto the flour. As you can see, it's changing orange. What's happening? Half of it's red, half of it's orange. This is kind of weird now. Oh, it's going red. It's going red. Very slowly, it's changing red. Some of the sides are slightly magenta coloured also, but this flour is slowly turning red. Fake flour. Correction. It says that the reaction speeds up when heated. Sulfur dioxide dissolves in the water imbued in the flour, forming sulfurous acid. The acid-base indicator reacts to this and changes colours. So what we're seeing happening is the sulfur dioxide dissolves at the bottom, and the water is imbued into the flour by bringing up. As you can see, it's steaming up a little bit. And that makes it change colours because it's a reaction, a chemical reaction, making this tiny flower turn red. Oh. When it has exposure to air, it should turn orange. It should turn orange again. Steam. We've made steam. Let's take the little flower out and add water to this flask to prevent anything happening or any chemical reaction whatsoever that might blow up my house. Hopefully when we leave this out for a bit, it should turn gradually orange again. You can see it is turning orange. What a magical experiment. It went from blue to red to orange. This is really cool. It's actually kind of satisfying just watching it slowly turn orange. It should be one of those satisfying videos, just watching the flower turn orange. Okay, I'm going to read the little end card, little back, and it says, with exposure to the air, some of the sulfur dioxide vaporizes and the indicator turns orange. So the blue solution turns orange again after being red, and it by vaporizes it turns the gas and turns orange. If you really enjoyed this Mel Science kit, click here for more. If you haven't seen the Mel Science starter kit, click here to see it. And if you'd like to subscribe to Komi's to me, please click here. Bye!